Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this elegant and simple birch tree and bird design card with rhinestone accents. The supplies you'll need for this card are cardstock or any sort of paper for the base of the card. Here I'm using white, and I'll link the specific cardstock below that I used. 2 different contrasting colors of pens. I chose to use gray and purple. Again, these will be linked below, and these are the Faber-Castell pens that I like so very much. And then a pencil to draw out your design. So to start, as I always do, I drew out the design in pencil. I started with the trees. I decided to draw 3 trees in total. Once I was done drawing the trees, I drew in the 3 birds. And I drew them in random spots just where I thought they would fit nicely with the design. And once you have your birds and trees drawn, you're ready to start with the pens. So I started with the gray pen, or whatever pen you're using for your birch trees, to outline the trees and then color them in. And I continued doing this for all 3 of my trees until I was done. Next, I used my purple pen to color in the birds. To get a really saturated color look, I decided to trace over or color over everything again using the same pens. I didn't mind having some lines or streaks, as you can faintly see in the video here. I thought that really gave the trees some actual realistic texture, but if you don't like that, if you went over it again for a 3rd time, you would eliminate a lot of these lines and get a more uniform, solid color. And I also did that for the birds to give them the same saturated color effect. So you can leave the card like this without any rhinestones on it, or you can do what I did, and I had some purple rhinestones around that I had left over from other projects, and I decided to add them on the bodies of each of the 3 birds to just add a little bit of extra sparkle and something special to the card. And once you have those glued on, you have your finalized sparkly version of this card. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial for a really versatile and unique card that could be easily customized to your liking using various different pen colors. Thanks for watching.